Welcome to my channel, Dutchwell Digitals, a channel where you learn how to build a stable online business. I'm happy to share my knowledge on social media marketing, affiliate marketing, financial updates, online business updates, tips, tricks, and much more. If you want scammy videos on this subject I've mentioned, then you can skip this video or delete it. But if you want something genuine and legit, please watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also to turn your bell notification so that whenever I publish an amazing video like this, YouTube will notify you. Without much waste of time, I would love us to dive in to what we have for today. In my last video I talked about Espania, making money from Espania, but in today's video I'll be talking about Payroute. This is a platform where you can make money by performing some tasks. Here you need to sign up with them, create your username and password, and then save it somewhere so that you will not forget. But before you actually after signing up, you'll be asked to be prompted to activate your account. This activation will come with a sum of money, you understand, and the activation fee costs 2,000 naira. You see, you have to, so if you for now the platform is not a kind of free way to make money. It's not a free platform for you to make money, just like Espania. So you need to start with something. I don't like free things anyway, so get started by paying 2,000 naira and you subscribe. The 2,000 naira will actually give you access to the standard plan. They have standard plan, they have a pro plan. So the 2,000 naira is just for the standard plan, where you earn 13 naira to 1,000 naira for each micro job that you do, 500 naira to 22,500 naira for each person you refer, and the rest. So you can activate your account by paying 2,000 naira to this account. Once you pay 2,000 naira, it will activate your standard plan. Okay, and before I continue, please understand that it's not just a platform for you to subscribe and be staying idle. You'll not make any money if you just subscribe and then you don't do anything. You have to put in the work. You understand? You have to put in the work. Once you subscribe, you have to maximize your money by working and earning the money. Okay, so we look at the pro plan, which you need 6,000 naira. You need to pay 6,000 naira to the account for you to have access to the pro plan, and then you gain a lot in the pro plan. You see, you earn 6,000 naira to over 100,000 naira for each bit labs game you play. But me, actually, I don't prefer playing games. It's totally a waste of time. But you can promote, you can earn from other tasks that you like. They have a lot of things to do. You can even promote people's links. There are a lot of work tasks to perform. Once you sign up, you see the different tasks you can perform to get paid. So if you're subscribing, of course, you know that something that is cheaper, you have less value. Something that is much more expensive. So this is the website, www.payroute.online. You can visit the website, you can subscribe to them by paying that. Activate your account by paying that money, sum of money, to 2,000 naira or 6,000 naira, depending on how desperate you want money. You understand? But it's not free. So please, you can just check it out, and if you like it, you can stay with them. If you don't like the platform, you can leave. It's up to your choice. So that's what I have for today. Please ensure to subscribe, like, and share this video for just to encourage me to create more content like this, if that's what interests you. Is that okay? Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.